Ingredients for Croque Monsieur. 1. 4 slices of toast bread, or French bread. 2. 4 slices of cheese, such as Emmental or Gruyere. 3. 4 slices of ham, or turkey. 4. 2 tablespoons of butter. 5. 1 cup of milk. 6. 1 tablespoon of flour. 7. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, optional. 8. Salt and black pepper to taste. 9. 1/2 cup of grated cheese, such as cheddar or Gruyere, for the topping preparation. 1. Make the Béchamel sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and stir for about 1 minute until it turns a light golden color. Gradually add the milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking until the sauce thickens. Add salt, pepper, and nutmeg, if desired. 2. Prepare the sandwich. Heat a skillet or oven. Place 1 slice of bread in the skillet or on a baking tray, then add a slice of ham, followed by a slice of cheese. Top with another slice of bread. Spread butter on the top slice of bread. 3. Grill the sandwich. If using a skillet, toast the sandwich on medium heat until golden and crispy on both sides. If using the oven, place the sandwich under the broiler until golden and crispy. 4. Add the sauce. After toasting, remove the sandwich from the skillet or oven, and spread a layer of the bechamel sauce on top. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the sauce, and return it to the oven to melt the cheese and turn golden. Serving. One. Serve your Croque Monsieur with a side of salad or French fries for a delicious meal.